Homeowners in Troy know that windows play a major role in energy efficiency, comfort, curb appeal, and overall home value. But with Michigan's fluctuating temperatures, lake-effect moisture, and strong seasonal winds, windows in Troy often face more wear and tear than many people realize. Understanding the most common window problems, and how to prevent them, helps homeowners avoid expensive repairs and keeps their homes running smoothly year-round. Drafty windows. Drafts are one of the most common complaints among homeowners in Troy, especially during cold winter months. If you feel cold air leaking in around your window frames, it's typically due to aging seals, warped frames, or single-pane glass that can't block outdoor temperatures effectively. How to prevent drafts. Inspect caulking annually. Michigan's freeze-thaw cycles can crack or shrink caulking, allowing air to seep in. Reapply fresh caulk when needed. Upgrade weather stripping. New weather stripping around sashes and frames helps improve insulation and reduce energy loss. Consider energy-efficient replacement windows. Modern double or triple pane windows dramatically improve insulation and comfort. Condensation between window panes. Moisture trapped between panes is a sign that the window seal has failed. This is especially common in older homes in Troy, where temperature swings can stress the seals on insulated glass units, EGUS. How to prevent seal failure. Avoid harsh cleaners on glass edges. Some chemicals can deteriorate sealants. Maintain proper indoor humidity levels. High humidity indoors increases condensation risk. Replace damaged windows promptly. Once the seal fails, the insulating gas is lost, reducing energy efficiency. Sticking or hard to open windows. When a window becomes difficult to open or close, the cause is often swelling wooden frames, dirty tracks, or hardware that has worn out over time. Troy's humidity in summer and chill in winter contribute to frame movement. Prevention tips. Clean tracks twice a year to remove debris, dirt, and insects that block smooth operation. Lubricate hinges and hardware with a silicone-based lubricant for smoother movement. Check for frame warping. If the frame expands or contracts excessively, upgrading to vinyl or fiberglass windows may offer better long-term performance. Water leaks around windows. Rain and snow are constant challenges in Troy. Poor installation, deteriorating flashing, or cracked seals can allow water to seep around the frame. Left untreated, leaks can lead to mold, rotting wood, and even structural damage. How to prevent window leaks. Keep gutters clear. Overflowing gutters push water against window frames. Inspect exterior caulking regularly and repair cracks early. Ensure proper installation. Poorly installed windows leak sooner than well-installed ones, so always hire a qualified professional. Foggy or cloudy glass. Even without water buildup between panes, windows can appear foggy due to dirt accumulation, oxidation, or mineral deposits. Homes near lawns or gardens often experience this due to outdoor sprinkler overspray. Prevention tips. Clean windows with gentle solutions to avoid scratching the glass. Angle sprinklers away from windows to prevent water spots and mineral buildup. Install low-maintenance glass options if upgrading your windows. Broken screens and hardware screens, locks, and cranks often wear out, especially on frequently used windows. Bent frames, damaged mesh, or faulty locks can compromise airflow, security, and convenience. How to prevent wear and tear. Remove screens for winter to reduce exposure to heavy snow and ice. Inspect locking mechanisms yearly to ensure they function correctly. Replace damaged screens promptly. Protect your home with proper window care. Most window problems in Troy can be prevented with routine maintenance, seasonal inspections, and timely repairs. If your home has older windows, you may benefit from upgrading to modern, energy-efficient models designed to handle Michigan's climate. Whether you're looking to prevent drafts, reduce noise, improve insulation, or enhance curb appeal. Taking a proactive approach ensures your windows last longer and perform better year after year.